Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Hope everybody's doing great out there. Today we're going to be making up something simple, and there's no cooking. We're going to use you can use your own pound cake if you'd like, but these it's like a shortcut thing, and they're great to make up with the kids, the grandkids. They're little Easter cakes. That kind of stuck to the lid there, but that's fine. But what we're going to do here is just take our store-bought pound cake out. We'll take that out, and what I'm going to do is just cut this in half. Just cut it right in half so you can see it better. Just go right in half with that pound cake. Straight down. Try to get it even. Curtis, can you move that for me? Thank you. Okay, now we got this cut. Our pound cakes. Now I do have some different lighting here. I don't know how well it's going to be, but I'm still learning, guys. Now you'll need a little egg cutter. Little cutter here. Egg-shaped. Or you can do little rounds, whatever you want, little bunnies, whatever you want. And we're going to just cut these right straight down. I'll do one here. And there we have a little, let me get this out. A little egg-shaped cake. And these are simple, as I said. It's just a quick idea where you don't gotta get the kitchen all hot and flour everywhere, and just something quick. And you'll be needing some of your, or you can make your own icing, but this is just quick, guys. Some vanilla. Don't get the whipped. You want the rich and creamy vanilla. Or you can make your own icing. Once again, it's totally up to you. And I'm using some gel coloring. It's got pretty spring colors in there, and it don't take much. And what you're going to do is just, I got one prepared here. You make that frosting as bright, beautiful as you want it, or maybe a more mellowed out color where you don't really want such brightness in it, but I like them bright colors. And you'll just, a couple big heaping tablespoons of your icing. Now you could start with 1 can depending how much frosting you're going to be pouring over each one of your little Easter cakes. And what we do here is just put this in the microwave till it's pourable. You'll put it in the microwave, give it a stir, put it back in the microwave, stir it. It don't take long. And once you see it gets kind of runny, that's when it's ready to pour over your little cakes. And you'll be putting some little sprinkles on them of your choice. I have all different kinds here that we'll be putting on our little Easter cakes. And these are so fun. The kids love to do these. And you can, if you'd like, but you'd have to be careful. You can cut these little cakes in half and spread a little thin layer of maybe some lemon curd or some raspberry or strawberry preserves. You can do them that way. But today we're doing just the pound cake. No fillings in it. So what I'm going to do is finish cutting these out. And I'm going to warm up. I'm going to make some more colors with my icing besides the pink. I'm going to go with purple. What is that, like a teal?
Yeah, teal
greenish. Like a
teal
greenish, I guess. But I'm basically using all the colors in the Wilton gel food coloring. But okay, I'm going to finish cutting. I'm going to warm up my icing. Now, you could do a little bit of your icing at a time. Like I said, I have 2 containers of it. I bought 2. just in case, you know, I need more. There's 2 of them, but I only have 1 opened. So let me finish getting these cut out, guys. Okay, I got my eggs cut out here. I got 6. Now you're going to have some leftover pound cake. Now that's the cook's little treat. Put it in a little Ziploc bag or something and save it. Don't throw it out. Or you could pour some icing over those too, you know. Waste not, want not. But anyways, I have here the vanilla frosting. I put it probably good couple tablespoons. And here I'm doing the purple. Just a few little, or a big squirt there. Like I said, this stuff gets really bright. Depends on how bright you want it. And just get it stirred up real good. And like I said, I'm going to put it in the microwave. And this is going to become really thin, where it's going to be pourable. Get it mixed up good. Ain't that beautiful? So pretty. Okay, I'm going to get my other colors going. My orange and my turquoise one there. And get them warmed up. Okay, I have my pretty purple. See, that's the consistency you want it. I done mine, I think, maybe 15 seconds. Just depends on what kind of little bowl you're using, how hot it's going to get. But just keep an eye on it because you don't want it really, really thin. So what I'm going to do now is just take, and the kids love doing this. We'll be making some up as we do every year for the kids. They get involved and they just love it. But let me make sure that's in focus there for you guys. And I'm just going to pour this. See how it just pours over it? Let it all drip down. And I used 1 can of icing. See some more here I need on there. You'll lose some of it, of course, but get that off there. Get this over here. And then while it's wet, let me see. I think I want to go with some of these ones. Ain't that pretty? And you'll just put your choice of sprinkles. And these will set up for you. And I'm going to repeat it with my different colors. As you can see how I did it. These will dry, as I said, and set up. And we'll be back with the finished little Easter cakes. Okay, my friends, there they are. Aren't those pretty? Now, these are, like I said, these are the brighter ones. You can go with the more, I guess it would be like a pastel color. I've made them like that too, where they're not as bright. But these ones came out beautiful. And I kind of set the mood, the Easter, you know, little eggs and their stuff for you. But it's just a quick idea for you to do with the children or have fun by yourself. You know, it's always fun in the kitchen doing something different. And these are different. If you like pound cake, I mean, you could do it with any kind of cake, any kind of icing you want. This, like I said, is just a little shortcut. Now, like I said, I did use 1 large pound cake. That was the larger one. And I got 6, and then you got some little snack cake left for you, or put it up in a little baggie. But if you want to do like a dozen of them, get you a couple of those cakes and then a couple of cans of the icing. But there they are. Let me get one up here for you. See there, that icing set up on them. Ain't those pretty? Kids love them. As I said, you can put some filling in them if you'd like, or eat them plain. You don't got to even put no sprinkles if you want just the pretty colored icings on them. That's all up to you, but it's just an idea I wanted to share with you guys, and I truly hope you guys enjoy, and I'm going to get a bite of this little snack cake. Look at that. Yummy. But you guys make you up some. Get the kids in the kitchen and get you some made up. And please like and subscribe as always. It's always truly appreciated. And I'm going to finish my cake. We will see you guys later, and you stay blessed. Bye-bye.